Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hello, Mar Almohano po, na nagmula sa angkan ng mga alien at pamilyang manananggal, ay bumabati po ng isang maligayang kaarawan kay Ate Sheila Villanueva. So yun na nga, Ate She, sa inyong kaarawan, nais lamang kitang batiin ng happy birthday. So yun ang masasabi ko lang, stay healthy, be humble, and be happy like me.
Hihihihi. Ako nga pala, si Lino Reels Vlog. Yes. Ang babati sa iyo na maligayang kaarawan. Lahat kami dito nagmamahal. At syempre, mahal na mahal ka namin. Hindi ka namin papabayaan. Mag-i-enjoy ka at magsasaya. Syempre, kasama namin ni Ma'am Lorna de los Santos at ang buong pamilya. Happy birthday sa'yo. More blessings to come. At more good luck sa baby mo. Syempre, pray natin kung ano man ang wish mo. Ay, may naalala pala ako. Oh, kakanta ako para sa'yo. Watch this.
Oh, I believe I can fly. Oh, I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every day. I believe I can show.
Ayos ba? Basta mahalaga na pasaya ka namin. Happy birthday! Mwah! Hihihihi!
Hello, nais ko lang batiin ng kapatid naming alien, si Sheila Villanueva. Enjoy your day today and God bless you more. We love you, si Sheila.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hi, si Sheila. Happy birthday. Sana masaya ka ngayong birthday mo kahit ganito mga itsura namin. And more birthdays to come and more blessings to come. See you soon, Sisi. We love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.